welcome to my channel. My name is Monique and this is my first video. As you could tell, as you could tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a low slick ponytail with edges. So keep on watching to get these. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, hopefully you just like it. And well, yeah. So I'm gonna start with brushing my hair. Now I'm gonna part my hair on the side. I like my parting to be like a C. Make sure your line is straight. Next, I'm gonna spray water on my hair. Now, I'm gonna grab my Eco Gel and I'm gonna put some gel in my hair, slick it to the side, and brush it out. So I'm gonna keep brushing my hair until it's really slicked and my hairs are combed. So be really patient and take your time. It's not easy. So now I'm gonna tie my hair. And now just watch me do my edges. If you need to add more gel on your hair, it's fine. And keep adding gel. So now I'ma pull out my hairs from the side and I'ma slick it down. So when I'm done with my edges, I'ma brush out my hair again and redo the ponytail. Don't forget that step because if not, you will have bumps behind and that does not look cute. So now I'm gonna grab my headband and tie it around my head for like 5 minutes so my hair can slick down. I just need some lick. I just need some love. Tired fucking with these lame niggas. So now that I left it like for 5 minutes, I'm gonna take it off, and as you can see, it's slick and my hairs are really combed. And thank you for watching. And oh, girl, yes, kitty. Okay, look at you.
Hi